Are you ready to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and turn it into your ultimate side hustle? Well, if you can't beat them, join them. And AI is going to take over everything quickly, so use AI now to make some money. We're going to dive into a world where AI meets entrepreneurship, revealing 5 lucrative opportunities to supercharge your income and transform your approach to side hustles. Buckle up and prepare to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit like never before, because the AI revolution starts now. Number 1 is AI tutoring. 2 things I've learned so far. Never ask a woman her age and never ask ChatGPT for references. Artificial intelligence hasn't quite evolved to being accurate 100% of the time, which is why human tutors are still important. But that doesn't mean you can't use AI to your advantage. For example, tutoring using AI is a thriving field that has gained significant momentum in recent years, revolutionizing how students learn and acquire knowledge. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, using AI for tutoring has emerged as a promising side hustle for tech-savvy individuals seeking to impact education while supplementing their income. As an AI tutor, one can tap into a vast array of resources and cutting-edge technologies to create personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique needs and learning style. You can use AI platforms to provide an interactive and adaptive learning environment, which allows students to receive targeted instruction, real-time feedback, and a progress report. Also, AI tutors can analyze vast amounts of data to identify knowledge gaps, predict areas where students may struggle, and recommend targeted learning resources. This data-driven approach enables tutors to develop customized study plans, ensuring students receive the support they need to succeed academically. Number 2 is AI content creation. Instead of selling 1,000 links for $5 on Fiverr, try your hand at content creation using AI, which can be far more lucrative. Using AI for content creation gives aspiring writers, bloggers, and content creators an advantage. Because AI-powered tools can assist in various content creation tasks, including writing blog posts, generating social media captions, creating product descriptions, and crafting compelling storytelling narratives. Using AI, content creators can streamline their workflow, save time, and enhance their productivity. Also, AI can adapt its writing style to mimic different voices and tones, making the generated content highly customizable and versatile. This technology allows content creators to meet the ever-growing demand for fresh and engaging content across various platforms and industries. While AI plays a significant role in content creation, it is essential to note that it should be seen as a tool rather than a replacement for human creativity. The human touch is still important in providing unique perspectives, emotional depth, and originality that resonates with readers. Therefore, combining the power of AI with human creativity can result in exceptional content that captivates audiences. Number 3 is AI data analysis. The name says it all. If you focus on the first 4 letters of the word analysis, you can see that this side hustle is about paying attention to the details or the data. Using AI for data analysis is one of the most lucrative and sought-after side hustles in artificial intelligence. With the explosive growth of data in today's digital age, businesses are constantly searching for ways to derive valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. This is where AI data analysis comes into play. As an AI side hustle, it involves leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms and statistical techniques to analyze large volumes of data, uncover patterns, and extract meaningful information. You can use AI to analyze customer behavior, predict market trends, or optimize operational processes in various industries. As a side hustler in AI data analysis, you can start by acquiring datasets from open-source platforms or collaborating with small businesses looking for data analysis solutions. By using AI tools and programming languages such as Python or TensorFlow, you can develop custom models and algorithms to tackle specific data analysis tasks. You can also use popular data analysis libraries and frameworks such as Pandas or NumPy, to streamline your workflow and maximize your data. Number 4 involves AI chatbot development. Whenever I see a company without a chatbot, I just know they love answering the same question 100 times a day. So many businesses don't understand the usefulness of AI or chatbots. And that's where you come in. Using AI for chatbot development presents an incredible opportunity for individuals to capitalize on their programming and problem-solving skills to develop and deploy their AI-powered chatbots. The beauty of developing an AI chatbot as a side hustle lies in its versatility and scalability. With the proper knowledge and tools, aspiring developers can create chatbots for various purposes, such as customer support, lead generation, e-commerce assistance, and entertainment. By understanding the specific needs of businesses and users, developers can craft chatbot experiences that streamline processes, provide instant responses, and enhance overall user satisfaction. Building an AI chatbot involves multiple stages, from designing the conversation flow and creating a natural language processing model to integrating APIs and deploying the bot on suitable platforms. While there is a learning curve involved, numerous online resources, tutorials, and communities are available to help beginners get started. As developers gain proficiency, they can refine their skills and offer more advanced chatbot functionalities, including sentiment analysis, voice recognition, and machine learning algorithms to improve the bot's performance over time. One of the significant advantages of pursuing AI chatbot development as a side hustle is the potential for passive income. Once a chatbot is built and deployed, it can serve multiple users simultaneously, allowing developers to earn revenue through various monetization models. These can include charging businesses for custom chatbot solutions, implementing subscription-based services, or integrating affiliate marketing programs within the chatbot's functionalities. Number 5 involves overdubbing videos in other languages. Many businesses, such as YouTube creators, want to appeal to a bigger audience. So, a lot of businesses understand they need to speak the language of that target audience to have a broader impact. That's where AI comes in. You can use AI to translate a video into different languages, such as Spanish or French. This allows the business to attract a larger audience while you attract more money in your pocket. And there you have it. 5 awesome AI side hustles that can help you leverage your skills and make some extra money. Whether you're into machine learning or natural language processing, there's a side hustle out there for you. So pick one that excites you the most. Dive in and start earning today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching.